Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset maintenance light Toyota Avalon 2007 updated. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip reset button. While holding, switch the key OFF and back to on, keeping the button depressed. Watch the maintenance light cycle or flash, then release the button once it changes state. If the light persists, repeat the sequence slowly and ensure the battery has good voltage. Start by parking safely and engaging the parking brake to prevent distractions. With the key in your hand, press and hold the trip meter or odometer button firmly. Turn the ignition OFF and then to on while still holding the button. Do not start the engine. Keep holding until the maintenance or oil light flashes or the odometer shows zeros. Release the button and verify the light stays off before driving. If the reset doesn't take, first check the battery voltage because low power can interrupt the procedure. Feel the trip meter button to make sure it clicks and is not stuck or corroded. Try repeating the ignition cycle slowly and deliberately if the first attempt failed. If the maintenance light reappears quickly, there may be an unresolved service issue, and a professional diagnostic scan is recommended to identify any active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.